Travelers, in today's video I'm going to explain how you can get extra perks and discounts on your next Royal Caribbean cruise. If you are interested in traveling on a budget and getting the most for your money while traveling, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Royal Caribbean is one of the world's best all-round cruise lines. From the best entertainment at sea to the largest ships in the world, Royal really does have it all. Okay, I know you want to find out exactly how to get these perks and discounts I talk about, so let's get into it. First up, you're going to have to sign up for a Royal Caribbean Crown and Anchor Society membership. This is totally free to do and it is very straightforward. Once you have signed up for a membership, you are now ready to start earning points. You will earn yourself 1 point for every night you spend on board a Royal Caribbean cruise, and if you are lucky enough to be in a suite, you will earn 2 points per night. Now for what your points actually mean. There is 6 levels of membership ranging from Gold to Pinnacle Club. You will become a Gold member after your first cruise, as this is earned at just 3 points. Platinum level comes at 30 points, Emerald at 55, Diamond membership is achieved at 80 points, you can add a plus to your Diamond for 175 points, and finally the Holy Grail of Pinnacle Club is awarded when you reach a whopping 700 points. You will get straight to Pinnacle Club membership when you sign up if you smash the like button on this video. Comment below if this worked for you, as I am yet to try it for myself. Finally, we move on to the benefits of each of these membership levels, plus the perks and discounts you will receive on your next cruise. As Gold level is achieved by pretty much everyone after their first cruise, the benefits are minimal, however they are still very useful, especially on board your next cruise. The benefits you will receive include SeaPass card recognition, private departure lounge with continental breakfast. The onboard benefits include buy one get one free on Johnny Rocket's milkshakes, wine, beer or soda by the glass, 25% off specialty coffee, 1 free jackpot card at the onboard bingo, 10% off internet packages, a free spin at the casino as well as access to Casino Royale's loyalty program, up to 10% off when you spend $25 or more in the onboard shops, buy one photo get 50% off a second, and 10% off any spa or salon services. These onboard benefits may vary depending on the ship and the area your ship is cruising in. You will receive exclusive Crown and Anchor rates when booking your next cruise, priority notice of special offers, new ships and itineraries from Royal Caribbean. You will get a dedicated phone number for Crown and Anchor members, and if you have children, they will be able to match your membership level after their first cruise. If you have made it this far into the video, you must be enjoying it, so please leave a like and give the channel a subscribe for more videos on loyalty programs, cruising and travelling on a budget. Moving on, Platinum level receives all the same benefits as Gold, however the percentages you get off on board might be slightly higher. You will receive Crown and Anchor robes in your stateroom for use on the ship, an invitation to exclusive onboard event for Platinum and above Crown and Anchor members, and a big bonus at this level is special member discounts on balcony and suite cabins when you're booking your cruise. The only added benefit with Emerald is a selection of snacks and bottled water in your stateroom when you arrive on board. Diamond membership is where the perks really start heating up. As well as all the previously listed items, you will receive a milestone recognition, a chef's choice gift, priority waitlist for shore excursions and Vitality Spa services, Diamond Lounge access on ships with a Diamond Lounge and nightly events, a complimentary tour of the entertainment areas on board, You will also receive priority waitlist for fully booked main dining room seating times. When you manage to add a plus to your Diamond membership, you will receive a personalised gift or amenity, priority seating and access at the theatre, ice show and aqua theatre, cheers with an officer event for members with over 340 points, concierge lounge access, and it has a happy hour in the evenings for drinks and snacks, exclusive access to Diamond Plus call centre staff. Finally, we hit the Holy Grail, the Pinnacle Club. This is the highest level of membership and therefore comes with the most amount of benefits. If you reach this level, I am sure you will know all about the perks you're going to receive, so I'm not going to go through all of them, but you will see them on screen now. Now you know all there is to know about the Royal Caribbean Crown and Anchor Society. You can start receiving perks and discounts on your next Royal Caribbean cruise. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I will have another video out next week, so make sure you subscribe to learn more about travelling on a budget and getting the best value for your money.